Hello and welcome to Mushroom Moon Designs. Today I'm going to be colouring a children's colouring book page. The idea came from another YouTuber called ADC Art Attack, and I will link to his videos below. He's a fantastic artist, and after watching a few of his videos I thought I'd really like to give it a try. So I printed off a children's colouring page. I just found my image by searching for colouring pages on Google Images and came across this Ursula colouring page from The Little Mermaid. And I chose this one because I liked the crystal ball in the centre of the image, and I thought it'd be interesting to colour in the light coming from the centre of the crystal ball. So during this I have used several products for colouring in. To start off, I used Winsor & Newton Pro markers to colour in the background to give a base colour, and I did this with amethyst, which is the purple for Ursula's face, and indigo blue for her dress, and I used bright orange for her nails and her lipstick. When I got on to colouring in with pencils, I used a variety of pencils. I use Arteza premium pencils, I use Derwent light fast pencils, Uni Posca pencils, Castle Art soft touch pencils, and I've also used the Derwent metallic pencils for the highlights on her eyes. To fill in the black outlines, I've used a Uni Posca bullet shaped 1.3mm acrylic pen. And this just makes the details stand out. To make the white highlights, I've used a product called Pearl Burnish, which is a liquid white coloured pencil, and it comes in a little tiny tub, and you squirt a little bit out and you actually use a paintbrush to paint it on, and this just brings up some highlights. So some of you might think, what is the point of colouring in as an adult? But you can actually find there are some health benefits to this. For example, it reduces stress and anxiety, it can improve your motor skills, it can even improve your sleep and improve your focus. But the main point of it is just to have fun, and I've really enjoyed colouring in this picture today, and I think I'll probably do some more in the future. Let me know what you think. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. If you like this video, please take a moment to like, comment or subscribe. Thanks, bye!